Today we're making Krabby Patties. Next we're gonna season the Krabby Patties. Next we're gonna season the Krabby Patties with the secret formula. Now we put the whole bag of pretzels inside the dish. Now we put a lighter fluid on the pretzels. For this next step, make sure you have a parent or guardian help you so you don't light yourself or your house on fire. Now we're gonna light the fire. Now we're gonna start the fire.
A few moments later.